Morning guys, January 15th, 2024. This one here I got a call for boiler relief valve blowing. Guys, boiler. It's probably an expansion tank that's bad. It's causing a relief valve to go. That's usually what the case is. But it's not usually the relief valve. Usually it's something else. Then the relief valve is doing its job, right? Relieving itself. It could be a feeder that's bad. We'll check the tank first, see if that's faulty. If that's faulty, we change that in the relief valve and let it go. Let it ride. Sometimes it's other things, but that would be the first thing I would check. It's being cold out, Miss Molly. Yeah, it ain't cold out, Miss Molly. It ain't cold out. Alright, we got a relief valve blowing here. It only leaks when it runs, so it's probably that tank. We're gonna have to drain it down. I got the supply and then the return. I got purge valves here. I gotta leave that open. Got that. I got the feeder off. Boiler off. I'm gonna drain it. I'll have to check that. And we should be able to do one zone at a time to purge it. After we change the tank. Get it off there. Got it going into a toilet downstairs. Here we can drain it. Look at the feeder works. And drain out. We're gonna check that tank. I'm thinking that tank's bad. Kind of in a shitty spot to get under it. Get it out of here. Alright, we're gonna see if the tank's bad. I'm thinking it is. No pressure in it. Zero. It's a bad tank. That's the problem. Be able to take this bleeder out of here and see if there's any water coming out of it. My bucket up there. Could drill a hole in it and get some of the water out of it, but let's see if we get a little reefer valve. Nothing. Somebody put a shut off on there, but I usually don't use those shut offs. It's going to be heavy. It's going to be a heavy one now. Hopefully it comes off without too much problem. She's gonna be one heavy mother. It's alright, I'll be around it. We're gonna be heavy. Be a Girl Scout. If you're a Girl Scout, we'll sell cookies. She's full of water. carry these tanks in my truck, so not a problem. Seeing that's got a... This is going to be tight because it goes into a thread. This has to be tight because it's going into a fitting. We should be able to purge these one at a time. Zones. We'll do the basement first. We'll do the basement zone first. Purge it. You got 3 zone valves up top there. We'll fill it. Fill it, purge it. Open up there. And the valve off there. We're going through. I got 1 zone open. Goes to the toilet. I got 1 zone open up there and give it a good purge. Get the air out of it. Going in the boiler out the supply. Through the supply. This one's open right now. We'll get them other 2 off. We'll go on out the hose. It's got this valve open. It's a purge station. All we have to do is open this one and shut this one. And I'll do that one next. 3 zones. I'll get the feeder lifted up right now. Ooh. Something's leaking. Just want to make sure they're all purged good. I'm going to check the burners, make sure that they're not all dirty. There seems to be any air in it. Reinstate the heads. All the heads should work off the thermostats now. Open this up. We should be ready to rock. Let's see what these burners look like, if they're dirty or not. They still got it off. We'll check these burners. How bad they are. They're dirty. I'll be fine. Yeah, they all look fine. the burners are fine. No issues there. Don't look for trouble. That's my motto. That relief valve's fine. I don't even see a problem with it. It's not leaking, so leave it alone. Just fire it up. Alright, she's not leaking. Replace expansion tank purge zones. Burner okay. She's good to go.